Fanatics FanCash Rewards operates as a loyalty currency designed to unite various commerce and entertainment platforms under a single digital umbrella called a Fanatics One account. Anyone looking to streamline their sports-related spending might find this ecosystem interesting since it connects everything from merchandise to sports wagering and market trading. The program does not cost anything to join, and there are no ongoing maintenance fees, which addresses a major pain point for consumers who hate seeing their rewards eaten away by hidden charges. The fundamental concept is that every single dollar of FanCash equals $1 to spend across their network. It provides a centralized hub where activities in one hobby can directly fund another, making it a highly versatile ecosystem for a specific kind of consumer. Earning this currency happens through several distinct channels, each carrying its own percentage rate. For those who enjoy collecting sports cards and memorabilia, making an eligible purchase on the Topps website brings in a steady 2% back in rewards. Moving over to the official Fanatics mobile app boosts those potential earnings, allowing users to accumulate up to 5% back on their apparel and gear purchases. The biggest numbers pop up when diving into the entertainment and trading features. Both the Fanatics Sportsbook and the Fanatics Markets platforms offer up to 10% back in FanCash on bets and trades. A notable benefit here is that these 10% rewards accumulate whether the user wins or loses the bet or trade, which provides a bit of a safety cushion during a rough streak. However, it is worth noting that certain platforms like Fanatics Live and Fanatics Collect are listed as unavailable for earning rewards as of late 2025 and mid-2026, so the earning avenues do have some boundaries. When it comes to spending the accumulated rewards, the flexibility is a major selling point. Users can turn their balance into authentic jerseys, hats, and hoodies, or they can pivot toward live entertainment by redeeming it for sports tickets. For those who prefer the gaming side, the rewards can be converted into bonus bets, slots, and table games. Collectible fans can use their balance for fixed-cost items on Fanatics Live or apply it to marketplace buys, live break auctions, vault submissions, grading, and shipping requests through Fanatics Collect. Even physical retail is included, as the currency can be redeemed at over 1,000 physical lid stores. Linking these different experiences requires using the exact same email address across accounts and completing a quick verification process. Once linked, the rewards move fluidly between a sportsbook balance and a merchandise account, removing the friction of managing separate loyalty programs for every single hobby. Looking at the positive side, the absolute best feature of this program is the sheer variety of redemption options. It is pretty rare to see a loyalty program that lets someone buy a baseball cap, hedge a bet on a Sunday football game, and pay for comic book grading all with the exact same digital currency. The rolling expiration policy is another massive benefit that keeps the rewards alive. Any reward currency earned from a standard transaction lasts for exactly 1 year, expiring at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But here is the kicker. Making any new eligible purchase or qualification transaction before that year ends pushes the expiration date out by another full year for the entire balance. This means as long as someone engages with the platform at least once a year, they never have to worry about their hard-earned rewards vanishing into thin air. On the flip side, there are definitely some drawbacks to consider. The most obvious downside is that FanCash has absolutely zero cash value outside of the platform. It cannot be withdrawn into a bank account, it cannot be converted into physical cash, and it is completely non-transferable to other people. If someone decides to step away from sports entirely, those rewards are essentially trapped. Furthermore, any rewards earned on a purchase will be promptly deducted if that item is canceled or returned, meaning there is no way to game the system through returns. Another trap involves promotional or customer service bonus rewards. Unlike regular earnings, this bonus currency comes with a fixed expiration date set at the time of deposit, and it does not qualify for the expiration extension when a new purchase is made. If the user does not pay close attention to the fine print, that specific bonus portion can disappear unexpectedly. In summary, this ecosystem provides a highly integrated experience that successfully eliminates the hassle of managing multiple isolated reward programs. It functions beautifully as a bridge between buying gear, trading cards, and placing sports wagers without charging any entry or maintenance fees. However, the inherent risk lies in the complete lack of external liquidity and the strict rules governing account compliance. Because the currency has zero cash value and cannot be transferred, users are entirely locked into the ecosystem. There is also the risk of losing everything if the company determines a user is violating their terms, which can result in the immediate termination of the account and the total forfeiture of all accumulated rewards. It is a powerful tool for dedicated sports enthusiasts, but keeping an eye on the expiration dates and compliance rules remains absolutely critical.